As a consumer lawyer, one question that I receive a lot is how old can a debt be and still be collected? Well, what if I told you that a debt can always be collected, but that there may be certain restrictions on how it can be collected? In this video, I'm going to tell you what you need to know if you're receiving collection letters or calls about an old debt. Hi, my name is Jordan Shaw, and I'm a partner at Zebersky, Payne in Fort Lauderdale. We're a law firm that helps businesses and individuals with various consumer law issues. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. So how old can a debt be and still be collected? Meaning, how long after you incur a debt can you still receive those debt collection letters and debt collection phone calls? Well, unfortunately for the consumer, the answer is indefinitely. A debt can always be collected unless it's been charged off, or of course if it's not owed. But if you legitimately owe or incurred a debt and it was not charged off, a debt collector or a company can always collect on that debt. Now, importantly, the debt collector must adhere to specific requirements when they do collect that debt. Because while they can collect it, they cannot sue you if it's past the statute of limitations. Statute of limitations varies by state, but in layman terms, it's the limitation on when a company can sue you for a specific cause of action. In this case, it would be breach of contract. In Florida, the statute of limitations for collecting or suing on a debt is 5 years. So after 5 years, the debt collector or creditor who's trying to collect cannot sue you in court to collect the debt. But they can always send you those pesky letters or call you on your phone to try to collect the debt. That said, if a debt is past the statute of limitations, sometimes called a zombie debt, the debt collector has to advise you, the consumer, of your rights. They have to tell you, one, that they cannot sue you for the debt, and two, and this is very important, that making a payment on the zombie debt, on the old debt, can revive the statute of limitations. And this is a very important disclosure and very, very important for consumers to know. Why? Because when debt collectors are attempting to collect zombie debts, they will often send you a letter with different settlement options. And what that means is they'll send you a letter with different ways to pay the debt. So let's say the debt is $100. Option one might be, you pay us $90 today and we'll charge off the debt. Option two might be, you make 2 payments of $50 and we'll charge off the debt. And option three might be, you make 10 payments of $10. So what happens if you choose option three and you start making your payments? You make payment one, you make payment two, and you make payment three. But then when it comes time for payment four, you miss the payment. Well, in Florida, you may now have opened yourself up to a lawsuit on that same debt that previously the debt collector could not have sued you for. That's called revival of the zombie debt or revival of the statute of limitations. The debt collector who's giving you these options must tell you about this risk. If they do not, you might have a cause of action under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act for unfair or deceptive trade practices in the collection of a debt. That might entitle you to one, charging off the debt, and two, statutory damages of up to $1,000. And what's great about the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act is the defendant in an unsuccessful action will have to pay your attorney's fees. Thank you for watching. If you found our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.